Welcome back to another video. So right in this video we are going to talk about on shitcoins that you need to bargain right now. You can make about 100x on this coin. So is it possible that you can make about 100x on shitcoins? Yeah, it is very possible. But if you want to make 100x on all these coins, the most important thing to understand is that you need to join the project immediately. They start their pre-sale, but we are not going to be talking about pre-sale, coins or projects, and that means you can only 10x or 20x or possibly 50x on most of the coin that I'm going to suggest to you right in this video. So the first one that I will suggest you guys to buy is Kucoin. So Kucoin right here, okay, you need to check on it. The price, is very undervalued, but you can see that the coin has been increasing time to time, and right now that the whole market have started showing up some correction. This would be a good time to start bargaining most of all these shit coins, because they will look the path for you, and as time goes on, you also understand the reason why I'm telling you guys to bargain shit coins. It will serve you guys well when it comes to diversifying your portfolio, and you shouldn't go all in, okay? Because shitcoin is not something that you need to hold on for long term. You should only hold on to it for short term only. So you can see right here, so we can make about, if possible, we can make about 4x to 5x on this coin, okay? And aside from that, you can see how the chart looks. It looks very bad, like huge declination and all of that. So if you come on here on a buyers, you will also see that a lot of people are going in with so much money. Yeah, huge wells in the market. You can see that almost all of them are going in with $100,000, huge amount of money, and that is also better, and that's why I feel the coin will be seeing a huge volume. And if you come on the sellers right here, you can, let's wait for that to load. You can see that there are a huge amount of people on here as well, okay? And you can see them buying, you can see them selling off their coin. The reason why I'm showing you this is so you could be able to understand that this is not a honeypot, because we don't suggest that on this channel, and nothing on here should be considered as a financial advice, and that is why you need to also be guarded, so you can also not lose your money. That's why you need to make sure you invest with with a lot of risk management whenever you're trading in the shitcoin market. How are you going to apply that? You need to make sure you put in a little amount of money on all these coins, like $15, and that will be very good. So the next one is going to be position token. So position token is also a coin that could seem very overvalued a bit, okay? If you are into shitcoins, you'll see that this one is about $1, which is a bit overvalued, okay? Because we don't buy coins like this in a shitcoin market. But the reason why I am suggesting it to you guys is because the chart right here, okay, it has gone down, and as you can see, this is a huge retracement, and it has gone back to the where it started off from. I mean, where the point started off from, which is here. So, and that actually means that you guys like, this is a good opportunity, and you guys can make about 3x to 4x on this coin. And with that being said, so far, you also need to understand that this coin here, people are buying it, okay? And you can see sellers right here in the market, and all the coins that I'm going to be talking about right here are basically going to be Binance, BSC tokens, which means you can buy it on PancakeSwap, okay? And that's simply what it is. So you could check this one as well, but be careful, do not go all in. Whenever you're buying these coins, just put in what you're willing to risk, okay? So the next one we have here is Moonmaker Protocol. So Moonmaker Protocol is a bit undervalued, okay, and is also a coin you can hold on to. And as you can see right here, let's check on the chart. You can see that the chart looks a bit promising, and you can see that it went down drastically, which is very deep, okay? As you can see, you guys can make about 20x on this coin. These are coins that I believe you can make about 20x, because you can see from here, I believe that a huge well sold, and the market now collapsed a little bit, and you can see right here, okay? So you guys can make more than you guys can make about 10x plus or 20x on this coin. So that's the reason why I'm telling you guys to bargain the coin. But before you start bargaining, you need to also be careful. Put in the amount of money that you feel that is okay by you. You can see people going in with huge and small amount of money right here. If you come on the sellers, you can also see that people are selling off their coin, and that is simply what it is. When you're buying the coin, do not go all in. So I feel that the person that sold was the person with about $355,000. So that's simply what it is. Just be careful when you're buying all these coins, because most of them are still going to take time before they could appreciate. So catch you on the next one. Let me know if you like this video. If you have any coin that you'd like us to talk about, try to comment, and I will try to research and make video on it. And catch you on the next one.